everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I just want to give a quick little update on where I've been the past months, and I feel very embarrassed for not posting a video in a long time, but just some things I just want to chat about here, because I know when I don't post in a while I'll get like my OG subscribers comment like so sweet, saying like they're worried about me and like concerned where I was, and I appreciate everyone of my subscribers who are watch my videos consistently and have been subscribed for a long time. So I just want to make this video for you guys, just to say like where I've been the past months. Okay, starting back from when I posted my last video 9 months ago. So during that time, I was already full-time at my job, which, in case you guys didn't know, I have a job in what I study for, so apparel design and merchandising. So I make samples and make patterns for designs for the company, and I love it. I love all that stuff, of course. That's what I have my YouTube channel for too. I just got busy with that and didn't have much motivation, which happens. Like, I had lots of video ideas and like I had a few started like that I filmed. It's just didn't have the motivation to, it's a lot of work, but I still love doing it. It's just a lot of work to dedicate time into it. Well then, so anyways, starting from the beginning of the year, COVID happened, and then in April I got changed to part-time at my job, and I thought, oh, maybe I can make more videos. But then when I became part-time, that's when I was working from home the whole time, and so I would get busy working. Like, it was hard. It's kind of hard working from home because you can't really separate work and home. Like, you're at home and then you're working and then you're not working, but you're not at home the whole time. It's kind of weird. I didn't really like it, but then I kind of did like it because you could work from home. And so anyways, so when I did have the time to post videos, there's some videos I've been wanting to do that were kind of not sewing related. And I thought, no, I don't want to post that. It's not sewing related. And it's just, I got into the mindset like it has to be certain videos, and it has to be worthy, video YouTube worthy. And so that kind of like made me lose motivation in a way, because I was kind of limiting myself on what to post on YouTube. And I kind of feel like that is like, your mind is trained that way because you see other YouTubers posting certain things. But then I'm thinking about it now, like, I'll post whatever I want. Who cares? If people are gonna watch me, it's because they want to watch me, not, it's good to stay consistent with content, but I shouldn't have to feel like not post any videos because it's not a certain way or certain thing. People watch me because they want to watch me. People who don't want to watch it, they don't have to watch it. So I became part-time in April, and in May I got intrigued to get some roller skates, because I've been wanting roller skates like the year before, but nothing really motivated me to want to get roller skates, And then I've been seeing a lot of people get roller skates, and it encouraged me. I was like, wow, there's a lot of people who roller skate, and so it made me ooh, I want to roller skate. So I guess a lot of people wanted to roller skate during quarantine, and so a lot of skates are sold out. And so I didn't end up getting skates till the end of June. Since then, I love it. The first month of skating, I went to just cruise around, and then just in a couple weeks I started going to the skate park. I love the skate park. So I realized I like skate park skating more than like just jam skating. Like I love doing trail skating and street skating and stuff, but skate park skating is my favorite type of skating. So I've been super into that I even made a skate account on Instagram, and I tried to post every single day, but I don't. But I do post a lot, at least like 2 times a week on like skate content, like skating videos and stuff, and my progress. So if you want to follow that, you can follow it. It's at Skatey Amy. So I got the idea because Crafty Amy and then Skatey Amy makes sense. So since skating has also been my newfound hobby, I also want to make like some skate videos, some skate content on this channel too. Like maybe like a skate review of the skates I've been using because I love them and I think like they're the best skates. Maybe not the best, but they're pretty good. So I'll probably do a review on those soon. So in July, I got engaged. So that's something to look forward to for the following year, to get married. So I'm really grateful that God blessed me with the love of my life. Then I got more exciting news that I'll be going back to full-time in November with my job. So I'll be getting up early, going to work. Like I have to go to the office, and so I'm hoping that will give me more motivation to, you know, post any kind of content I want on here. And that's all I pretty much wanted to say in this video, is just updating you guys on what's been going on and stuff. I mean, if you care, then cool. If you don't care, then I don't care that you don't care. But for the ones that do care, I'm really thankful for you guys keeping up with me. If you want to keep up with my other content, you can follow me on my main Instagram at Crafty Amy, or my skate Instagram, Skatey Amy. And here and there I'll post TikTok videos, and that's Crafty Amy 93. Thank you for staying to the end, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see my skate stuff videos on here. But for sure I do plan on posting some DIY stuff, but they do take a little more time because it's just me. I do all my filming and editing all by myself, and trying to balance work, life, and YouTube, it could be like, you know, tough. So, but I do have some videos planned. Like I do plan on finishing the video I had started that I do want to upload soon. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Bye!